Welcome to PFTV, Spethu Dlamini. Dlamini, it's a 1-1 throw to the boys. Namhlanje ubone kanjani?
Same konke kusemandleni. Same konke athi sihlale sikhala ngecoach. Line up ka coach emnandi. Emnandi phakani. Ayikho into esingakhala ngayo namhlanje nje i-draw. Yinto engiyibonayo i-draw, but ngendlela ekunayo i-league sayithatha. Ayikho into ezosihlula phakani ekuthatheni i-league. Sundowns nayo la ikhona kuseseyinini. Kuna 30 something minutes iqalile igame. I-league sayithatha.
So Pakania, namhlanje like kumoshake kuphi? How come we didn't manage to break down this Kaizer Chiefs team according to you?
Azi ama-player wethu under pressure ngenye indlela phakani. And awafakwa under pressure yithi sama-fans. Yila ma-legend esinga-understand ukuthi awafunayo. Ama-legend afana naboteko uyazibuza ukuthi lo muntu ucabanga kanjani. Imishini yakhe ukudestabilize ama-player we-Pirates. Ubuza ama-player we-Chiefs ukuthi awabelieve ukuthi angaya ku-World Cup. Qala lapho uyambona ukuthi into aphezu kwayo ukudestabilize i-Pirates indlela ingayo. 2 uthi u-Aubrey Mdiba noMkwena badeserve i-player of the season, player of the season. Uyi-analyst elinjani? No, ngifuna uku-understanda leyo nto leyo. Ubukela liphi ibhola esingalibukeli thina uTeko? Ya aboteko kumele ezinye izinto ilwa ne-Pirates, ilwa ne-management ye-Pirates. Maybe yiyo yakurobha. Yayibona? Hlukana nale ntwana zincane. Basifaka under pressure for what reason? Siyazi ukuthi ku-payroll ye-Sundowns, mara ufunani kule ntwana encane? Ileyo nto leyo. EkuThomo Sono manje sekuTeko. EkuThali uTeko manje.
Labantu bayasicindezela. So Pakania, do you still believe ukuthi you're going to take this league?
Mina into engizokutshela yona ukuthi i-league isoyithatha. I-league isoyithatha Pakania. Mina khona into engiyibonile. Pakania, i-Arsenal ne-Pirates this season izobreaka ama 10 year 15 year records. Yeah. Woyithula ama-team lawo. Pirates izoyithatha i-league. Angifuni ukuthi Pirates izoyithatha i-league. Nathi coach nayo ayekela ukubulala uMbuthuma. Coach yethu ibulala uMbuthuma. Awukwazi ukumfaka under the bus. Uyamazi ukuthi akekho composed enough. If umthatha umdlalisa ku big game njengale, u-expecteni uyambulala. I-coach yethu ubhekana nomthethela. Si under pressure. Okay, uMakhawula ulimele sibonile. But thola indlela oyenza izinto ngayo. Awukwazi ukubuyisela ama-player owaziyo ukuthi under pressure ama-fans ababheke ngelinye ilihlo. Yayibona? Angiblame i-coach namhlanje, but inama mistake ewayenzayo unnecessary. Ngokuya kwami unnecessary. Thina le game le siqale kabi from the word go. Yabona, Chiefs isifaka under pressure. I-Chiefs isitholela i-tag. Ikhonile ukubona ukuthi i-Pirates idlala ngepace. Yafaka uDuba, yafaka ubani uModi, yafaka noNdlovu phakathi. uNdlovu uye kade mina ngokuya kwami i-man of the match ekumele kube uNdlovu or uDuba. Yabona, Peterson akayideserve nix i-man of the match. Ubani lo referee lo angibonile Tom. Fende Sundowns. Suthi ubhadaliwe ukuya ku-World Cup. Akayi ku-World Cup ngoba deserve ukuya ku-World Cup. Naye against i-Pirates namhlanje. Every chance kade ayithola ukuba against i-Pirates, against i-Pirates. But Mapakania, mina into engizoyisho ukuthi asiqhubeke sibophe. Mapakania i-league yethu. Bayathanda abathandi kule season le. I-league yethu. Akho referee, akho fan, akho muntu akho legend, ma-legend anihlukane ne-Pirates. Ma-legend, if i-Pirates can drop, thumelana ama-message ku-management ye-Pirates, hayi ama-player we-Pirates. Nathi soyenza lento eniyenzayo, sohlangana nani emamona, soyenza the very same thing eniyenza kule ntwana encane. Ngoba nisibulalela i-team.
Alright, thanks Pakania. Bopha.